So today we're going to be talking about why yoga is so amazing for joint pain. So why yoga for joint pain? And I'm going to start with a quote. If you have osteoarthritis or joint pain, your exercise program must be gentle and low impact to keep the painful joints from being injured. The perfect solution, yoga. Now, I didn't say that. The Cleveland Clinic said that. Yes, the Cleveland Clinic said that yoga is the perfect solution if you have osteoarthritis or joint pain. So for those of you who don't know me, I'm Karin from Karinyogalife. I'm a certified yoga instructor based in Kingston, Jamaica, and I specialize in working with women over 40 and especially with people with all different kinds of joint pain, particularly osteoarthritis. So if you have joint pain or arthritis, I'm going to use the terms interchangeably. If you have any type of joint pain or arthritis, there are basically three super important things that you want to be doing. Number one, you want to be strengthening the muscles supporting the affected joint. So strengthening the muscles supporting the joint. So that means if you have arthritis or pain in your knee, you want to be strengthening the muscles around the knee, including the core muscles. So that means hamstrings, quads, even the feet, the calves, and the core to support the joint. So that goes for all the joints. If you have hip pain, you want to be strengthening the muscles around the hip. If you have back pain, you want to be strengthening the muscles supporting the spine. So that's the first really important thing you want to be doing if you have joint pain, strengthening the muscles supporting the affected joint. The second really important thing that you want to be doing, you want to be maintaining or improving the flexibility and the mobility of the joint. So you want to be moving the joint as much as you can to maintain or increase the flexibility of the joint. So moving the joint will also lubricate the joint and help to make it less painful. And then the third thing you really want to be doing is you want to be managing your stress and your anxiety, because heightened stress and anxiety can increase your experience of joint pain and actually make the joints feel more painful. And then guess what? Yoga does all three of those things. Yoga strengthens the muscles supporting the joints. Yoga increases or maintains the flexibility of the joints, and yoga also helps to manage stress, anxiety, and tension in the body. So yoga is perfect for people with joint pain or arthritis. Does all three of the key things that you want to be doing. So yoga strengthens the muscles supporting the joints in a gentle, low impact way. So particularly for standing poses, you're strengthening the muscles of the feet, the legs, the core. Pretty much all standing poses, you're supporting and strengthening the muscles of the legs and the core and even the back muscles. So yoga also increases or maintains, mostly increases the flexibility of your joints, making them more mobile, increasing your range of motion, which will also help to prevent falls and injuries, which also can contribute to joint pain. Yoga also promotes relaxation. It helps to relieve muscular tension. It helps you to become more mindful and to stay focused on the present, not worrying about things that have happened in the past or things that are going to happen in the future. So it just helps us to generally manage our stress and anxiety and to stay present and mindful. So the last thing yoga also does, which is really great for people with joint pain or osteoarthritis, it helps you to develop an awareness of your posture, your overall body alignment. So it helps you to become aware of how you're holding your body, where your body is in space, where your hips are in relation to your back, your knees, even how your feet are positioned. And misalignment of the joints can contribute to wear and tear of the joint, increasing your likelihood of getting joint pain or arthritis. So that's a really important thing that yoga does. It really helps us to develop an awareness of our posture, our bodies, how we hold our bodies, how we move our bodies, which can help to prevent, manage, and relieve joint pain. So those are the 3 key things that we want to be doing to manage and prevent. If we don't have joint pain, we don't want to get it. So we want to be managing and preventing ourselves from getting joint pain. And if we have it, to reduce the pain as much as possible. So studies have even shown that yoga is just as effective as physical therapy for treating certain types of back pain. So yoga has been proven to be just as effective, and maybe in some cases more effective than physical therapy for treating certain types of back pain. So those are the 3 reasons I wanted to share. Please let me know if you have any questions or comments about any of this.